number 8. Okay, separating the variables, we get e to the 2y dy equals 2x dx. Integrate both sides, and you get, on the right side, x squared plus c. On the left side, this is e to the 2y divided by 2, or times 1/2. Okay? Now, before you take the natural log of both sides, you're going to want to get rid of that fraction. So multiply everything by 2 on both sides. Okay? And now we have e to the 2y equals, I'm going to multiply both of those by 2. I get 2x squared plus 2 times c is still just c because we still don't know what it is. Now you can take the natural log of both sides. Okay? And the ln and the e cancel each other out. And we get 2y equals the natural log of all of that. Okay? And then just divide by 2 or throw a 1/2 out front. Either one. Either one that looks easier to you. And that would be your general solution. Okay? Now, solving for the particular solution, plugging this in, notice that they have a y that's over 2. So it might be easier to you to rewrite that as over 2 instead of a 1/2. You can figure it out either way, though. I'm going to go ahead and switch it to over 2. I think it'll be easier for you to see. All over 2. That's the same answer. I didn't really change anything. Okay, now I'm going to plug in this point. Y is natural log of 3 over 2, and the x is -1. If I plug in a -1 right here, square it, you get 1 times 2. All over 2. Now you can honestly just sit back and look at the equation. They look so similar, the left and the right side. On the left side I have a 2, on the right side I have a 2. On the left side I have a natural log, on the right side of a natural log. So for these two things to be equal, this just has to give me this 3. So hopefully you can just see right now that c has to be 1. Okay? And then you got to plug that back in right there for your final answer. So final answer should be y equals either the 2 like that or a 1/2, doesn't matter, natural log of 2x squared plus 1. Now, since x squared is always positive, and multiplying by 2 and adding 1 still will be positive, they might use parentheses instead of absolute values there. It would be okay either way. All right, hope that helped.